Addis Ababa. There, Mumbai. We just landed in Mumbai airport, India. Watch out, you will love it. This is life. Going to rest 2 hours before going to watch out.
Epic CNG adventure.